You've spent countless time, effort, and money building your dream BMW, but here's the sad reality. While you've been obsessing over every detail of the car, the thieves have been too. You see, thieves today are different. They're not fazed by Grandma Connie's club. They're using sophisticated systems like relay attacks, key duplicators, and OBD programming tools to steal your car in a matter of seconds. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to stop them in their tracks and keep your car safe. Now, if you search the internet, there are a few different immobilizers on the market that work really good, but there's two main issues that I found. First off, they tend to be very expensive. And second, they are not DIY friendly. Typically, you have to take your car to an authorized shop, which adds time and money. This changes everything. If you're into modern BMWs, it's impossible to escape XHP. These guys are the ultimate authority when it comes to transmission tunes. And well, they saw an opportunity in the market and well, they do know a thing or two about BMW and sensitive electronics, and they developed the ultimate solution for anti-theft called xProtect. xProtect is a software solution that we're going to program to the car, and it acts as an immobilizer. But the cool thing is, it still allows you to start the car, but what it does is it locks your transmission until you enter a secret code. Without that code, thieves can't steal your car, even if they have your key. So let me show you how quick and easy it is to install, and then I'll give you a cool demo. To get started, you're going to need three main things. The first thing is going to be a license to xProtect, which we have available at Kies.com. Once you purchase the license, we're going to email you the activation code, so be sure to go to your email and copy that because we're gonna need it in just a minute. Next, you're going to need either an Apple or an Android phone. I'm going to be using my iPhone for today's demo, and you're going to need a compatible adapter. For today, we're going to be using the XA Wi-Fi adapter. Once you're at this point, you need to either go into the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store and download xProtect. From there, you can plug in your adapter to your OBD port. Then from here, you're going to triple click your start button, and that's going to put the car in diagnostic mode. Then on your phone, go to your Wi-Fi networks, and we're gonna click the one that says XA Ultra. Then once you're connected to that, go back to xProtect. All right, at this screen, you can see we don't have any cars connected, so we're gonna hit this button down here that says Connect New Car. Okay, then from here, you can just hit Understood. It's going to find the adapter and it's going to connect. And at this point, you want to have your activation code copied and ready to go. Now, it is going to ask you if you want to use Face ID. You definitely want to allow this. Once you get through that screen, it's going to ask if you want to download some files. Hit OK, and it just takes a couple seconds. All right, now at the top, there's a little button over here that says Redeem. We're gonna hit that, and we're going to allow paste, pop our code in there, and it's going to redeem our voucher and say success. Now from this point, what you want to do is hit this button at the bottom of the car that says Protect this car. Now, once you get to this screen, this is the code editor. This is where we're going to create our super secret code, which I'm going to demo for you guys now. We're going to hit Start. Then you're going to hit where it says Add Activation Input. You can see we have shift paddles, the gear lever, we have park brake, seatbelt, and a few other things. For today's demo, we're going to make this super simple. Let's start with the shift paddles. We're going to go left, and then hit save. Then we'll hit the one that says gear lever, and we're going to have it left. And then we'll do gear lever again, and we'll go right. So it's going to be left paddle, left, right, kind of mimic when you get into a manual car, you give it a little shakedown. Let's try that out. Okay, we're going to apply code now. Hit OK, it's gonna send the data, and it flashes pretty quick. All right, and we have success. So let's test it out with the key in the car. So the first thing you're going to notice is that it is active because we have a flashing P on the dash. What this means is that I can start the car. However, if you go to put it in neutral, reverse, drive, you can't do anything. You have to enter the secret code, which for me is hold down the left paddle and then go left and then right. Now you can see the P is no longer flashing, and I can put it in drive, neutral, reverse, whatever you want, and you can now drive the vehicle. Now let's say you need to take the car to the dealer or something like that, and you don't want to have to show them your secret code. All you need to do is enter your code, and then you're going to press and hold the P button on the gear selector for 3 seconds, and that's going to put it in what's called friendship mode, which is going to temporarily disable xProtect, so that way the dealer can do what they need. And then when you want to re-enable it, all you need to do, get back in the car and hold the P button for 3 more seconds, and then it's reactivated. So as you guys can see, this is a great solution. It's easy to use, and it's also affordable. And if you'd like it for your car, be sure to check us out at Kies.com. Once again, my name is Brian. Thanks for watching today's video. If you guys did like it, give us a thumbs up, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.